welcome to Aditi channel. I am Sujatha SHIVASHANKAR. Today I am going to show you how to make rasgulla.
To make rasgullas, heat 1 liter of full fat milk. Let the milk come to boil. The milk comes to boil. Now add juice of 2 lemons. Milk curdles like this. Keep a vessel and place the strainer over that. Now place the muslin cloth over the strainer. Pour the curdled milk. Drain all the water. Pour cold water and wash until the lemony flavor is gone. Tie the muslin cloth. Let it drip for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, transfer the Chhena mixture into a wide bowl. Knead the Chhena mixture like this for about 10 minutes until you get a smooth dough and there should not be any granules. We have a nice smooth dough. Make small round balls from the Chhena mixture. Keep it aside. Small sized Chhena balls or the Indian cottage cheese balls or what you call it as paneer balls are ready. Take about 300 gram of sugar in 1 cup. Add about 4 cups of water. Boil it for about 10 minutes until all the sugar dissolves completely. As the sugar dissolves completely, add 4 cardamoms. Add 1 teaspoon of Knead water. After 10 minutes, we have a boiling sugar syrup, and now add gently the paneer balls, the Chhena balls, one by one into the sugar syrup. Let the Chhena balls boil for about 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, keep stirring gently so that all the Chhena balls cook completely and evenly. Now after 15 minutes, open the lid. Chhena balls have doubled in size. The rasgullas are cooked evenly all over. Now allow it to cool completely. Viewers, spongy, delicious, perfect rasgullas are ready. Kindly try our rasgulla recipe at your home. Please share your comments, like and subscribe to Aditi Food channel.